Alright, so hopefully the fan behind me doesn't interfere with the noise. So I got that door open. The front garage door is closed because, well, with the exhaust facing this way, it's not really going to do any good. So, yeah. Let it warm up for a bit and then I'll give it a couple of revs. Nothing too crazy because it is a little bit late, and you know, it's still in the garage too, so I don't want to run it for too long. Alright, so it's got a little bit of heat in it. I'm not going to rev it past like 3. Snowing. So in case y'all are wondering what the powder is from, it's not powder, it's the lint from my gloves. Because every time before I would weld, I would take my thumb and my index finger and I would rub it on the inside of the pipe so it was clean before I welded it. So that's what all that is. It's just yeah, it came really. You can see a little bit. And then the fan being on is just circulating it, so. But yeah. I'll get another video when it's on the ground running. I would take it for a test drive, but I need to change the axle boot because it's torn and I don't want to get grease all over this brand new exhaust. And yeah, I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that's all for now.